Okay, this is video how to repair the spout when the water is coming from it. I try to repair this piece, so I just spray some oil in there, and now with the screwdriver this start to turn. So when I turn this off out, hopefully will come out. Yeah, it's coming. So let's see what happened. Okay, so that's what's in there. The water just coming out of it. When you pull it, the water just keep on shooting. So could be this O-ring. I will look into it. I see if I have an O-ring like this. That's $30 spout, so I already replaced one, but see if I can fix this one. Okay, so the screw is coming out. We see, oh, it popped. We see what else is in there. Okay, well, I don't see any other seals in there. Just a spring and there's nothing else in it that would seal. Oh, here something comes out. So this piece comes out. Let's see if there's any other. No, there's no other earrings there. No other washers or seals in there. So looks like that wasn't the problem. So I just put this back in there. Okay, I put you on pause and put this together. Just have a one hand. Okay, so I just screw this back in together. There's no other seals in there, so seems like the water will be only the seal here. So maybe I look if I have one and see if I could change that seal, and then hopefully that would do it. Okay, so I looks like I don't have the seal, but I will look and see if I can find it. So this is the little gasket. Is about 1/8 by whatever the size is. So if you can find that kind of gasket, you can probably repair the spout. Okay, we'll leave at that.